you? Well, maybe just a speck. There's a flower called a perennial, which means it blooms each year, not centennial. And a tulip comes in such different hues, but the pink ones are the loveliest you can choose. It's pink, it's pink, it's pink, pink, pink. When Maya goes to ballet class, she wears a pink tutu. If Annie wants some bubble gum, the pink kind she will chew. Roses and a rabbit's nose are of the fairy shade. Sunsets burst above the sea, just like pink lemonade. It's pink, known all around the world. It's pink, pink, pink. It's okay with the boys, but it's loved by the girls. It's pink, pink, pink. It's okay with the boys, but it's loved by the girls. It's pink, pink, pink. It's okay with the boys, but it's loved by the girls. All right. How's it sounding? Sounds